y'all, I'm back in my videos. And Eid Mubarak. I'm making something from blocks and let's get started. I'm gonna just spill them on the table if you guys can see. Why is it so soft? It's not supposed to be soft. You guys cannot see. This is what everything is, okay? I've got everything over here, like everything. Okay. Isn't there like supposed to be a manual or something to, like build something like young? The other day I was out for shopping with my family and I saw it. I saw this pack and I was like, oh my god, I need this, I need it. I finally got it. Yeah. Like, I found already. I've been planning on making this helicopter. If you guys can see this on the screen somewhere. If you guys cannot, then I don't care. There isn't any step-by-step recipe on the internet. It's so satisfying.
Many minutes later.
Guys, I made my first car. That's it for today's video. Bye. No, please. It took 2 blocks. They're different colors, so I'm just gonna... I don't care. This feels weird because... I don't know what's going on, brothers. Let's invent something on our own and not follow everything on... It's broken. Let's not follow everything on social media. Bro, it's not working. This is confusing. I'm gonna do it on my own. Let's be creative again. Okay, so far so good. I don't know what I'm doing over here. I seriously don't know. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Is that it? And the next thing I'm gonna do is... Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that bell icon so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. Bye.